Hello guys, welcome back to Finstock Bstock, and here we give you tips about how you can make money online, how you can grow your social media, and tips that will make sure that you are having the best of this modern era like AI and all that, and even courses that you can do to make sure that you're making money online today. So today we're going to be discussing on how you can get the best out of your workout routine, because a lot of people have been working out but they don't get to see the results, and even if they see the results do not make a big difference from the point they were in when they maybe were not working out, or maybe they didn't work out at all. So we are going to discuss on how you can get the best out of your working routine. Welcome. Remember to like the video, share, subscribe at the end of the video, and hit on notification so that you get notified every time we release a new video. And the first thing you have to make sure that you're doing to make sure that you're getting the best out of your workout routine is to set smart goals. I'm sure you have heard this before, but it's worth repeating that you have to make sure that you set smart goals. And by smart, I don't mean that you set like smart goals. I mean that use the word smart to make sure that you're breaking down what you want in your goal. For example, the first S means specific. So you have to make sure that what specifically do you want. Maybe you want to hit 300 push-ups in a day, or maybe sit-ups in a day. You have to make sure that you write that down and make sure that you get to that point where you do those 300 push-ups or pull-ups or any other set you would like to do a day. So that means that you have a specific goal where you want to achieve, maybe in a day or in a month. The other one is, the second letter for in that word is M. That means measurable. You can measure and see how you're progressing and see if it's working or not, because that's the whole point of measuring your goals. You can see whatever is working and then maybe put more energy in that, and what does not work, maybe the other one is attainable. You have to make sure that your goals are real and you can maybe achieve those goals, because you can't maybe just start working out today and expect to hit 200 push-ups direct. You have to make sure that you are setting goals that are realistic. Yeah. And the other one is relevant. Yeah, because you can't just come up with a random set and say that you're going to hit that goal. For example, say that you're going to wake up at 3 a.m. and run for 2 hours, where you know that you've just started your workout routine. You have to make sure that you are setting relevant goals and that are realistic. And the last one is time bound. You have to set a time that it's like a deadline you're giving yourself. So you have to say that at this point I'll have to make sure that I have achieved whatever goal I want to achieve. So that is what we call setting smart goals. That is how you use the word smart to make sure that you're breaking down your goal, and that becomes easy for you to tackle. Yeah. And the second one is to mix it up with the variety. You don't have to, your workout have to be fun, because if you just do maybe a set of maybe like 100 push-ups and they are all the same, and we have a lot of variety, so that will make sure that your workout is entertaining. Yeah, you have to mix a lot of variety in your workout. Don't just do a single push-up and then you're doing it like 300 times. Make sure that you're adding more variation. There is a lot of variation right now in YouTube. You can go and check them out and then just implement them in your workout routine. And the other one is to fuel your body right. Yeah, just like a car, you need fuel and you have to fuel it right. So you have to make sure that you are taking nutritious meal. You have to make sure that you are taking a lot of water, because your body is the only machine you have when you're working out. So if you don't take care of it and you are maybe drinking a lot of juices and alcohol, and then you're expecting your body to perform at its peak, that is not going to happen. So you have to be realistic with yourself and just decide your body is the only machine you have to take care of it, whether you like it or not, as long as you want to make sure that it's performing at its peak, especially when you're working out. Yeah. And the other one is to get your groove with some killer playlist. You have to make sure that you have good music when you're working out. Yeah, so you have to make sure that you are implementing some good music. You don't want just to work out and the only sound you can hear if is the sound of you panting and yawning because you are very tired. You have to make sure that when you're in that zone of the music, you get to flow with the music and you get to enjoy, you get even to enjoy your workout. Yeah, and the other one is to find out your workout tribe. You have to make sure that you have to find a group of people who want to work out and they have the same goals as you. That will make sure that you guys are pushing each other and your routine is going to be even more effective because you have the same goals. You want maybe to achieve a certain goal and the goal is similar, so why not work out together and you'll hit the goal together, and even the journey will become more entertaining and you will not find it as difficult as you working out alone. Yeah, that is it, guys. Those are the 5 tips that you can make sure that you're implementing in your workout routine and you'll get the best out of it. Yeah, make sure you enroll for courses at Finstock University College. If you want to maybe become a gym trainer, professional gym trainer, you can enroll for the courses at Finstock University College where they have experts teaching these skills at very affordable rates. So make sure you visit them. Their website is www.finstockuniversitycollege, or you can even email them at info@Finstock University College or call their customer care number at 0703 313 722. Yeah, that is it, guys. Remember to like the video, share, comment, subscribe, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below and we'll be proud to make sure that we are coming back and answering your question. Yeah, that is it, guys. Until next time, goodbye.